All right, next part. One wing is drawn now on this portrait I did of a boy who died in the Nazi Luftwaffe bombing, murder of the school in Spain in November 2nd, 1937. Okay, I'm probably going to draw one more wing. Have to decide which child I'm going to draw the wing on, and then there'll be allegorical sea monsters. Okay, it is June 21st, 2023. Under wings 78 in progress. Tolerance Education Art Series on the Holocaust and Victims of Fascism in Europe, 1930s through the end of World War II in 1945. All right, there you have it. I hear some, thank you. Muchas gracias. Grazie. Merci beaucoup. I appreciate your foul input. FOWL, by the way. Not FOUL. All right.